Hey everyone, welcome back to App Mentor. In this video, I will show you how to install plugins and After Effects. First, make sure you already downloaded your plugins on your local device, like this one. Next, go to After Effects. Then here, search for After Effects on your Windows search bar. Right-click the After Effects app and click Open File Location on the option over here. Just a quick note, make sure to open both your After Effects location and plugins so it would be easy to copy the file inside the After Effects. Then on this page, find Plugins folder over here, click that, and go to Effects folder. Then from here, we can drag our plugin on this folder. Now let's open Adobe After Effects on your desktop. Right here, go to the right side and go to Effects and Presets. So here's a tip. Make sure you remember the name of your plugin that you downloaded so it would be easy to search here. Thank you for tuning in to App Mentor. If this video is helpful, please don't forget to like, hit the subscribe button, and leave a comment for any suggestions. See you on the next video!